25th, 2025. It's about 8:30 in the morning here at 1,000 Trails, Idyllwild. Looking up, way up there would be the PCT. I'm out on a local trail. Gonna see where this goes. Sign said 2.5 round trip. I'm hoping to see a couple of options up here, maybe. Anyway, nice morning. Got 60 degrees, no wind. Haven't been hiking in a bit, so let's see how this goes. It's a day hike. Looking up towards the Pacific Crest Trail up there somewhere, probably the higher of these two knobs. It's going across there, probably in the Fuller Reach area up there. Close because I'm headed in the direction of that bottom out. Although I don't think this double track will get there. I just came off the trail where that car went, right there. Walked down here to this gate. I don't know if this is Sawmill Campground or what. Maybe it is. There's an address that I can't read. It might be the old sawmill. Don't know. Driveway up there. The guide track showed this is 2.4 miles from 1,000 Trails trailhead. So maybe The old sawmill is on the other side of the road. It's around here somewhere, I guess. Anyway, this is Highway 243. And the direction I'm walking now, eventually I would get to the trailhead for Black Mountain Road. And there's a big open space pull-out there with a fence behind it. So maybe that's the old sawmill. Anyway, this is the trailhead. I'm going to be walking back up, retracing my steps from here. Alright, so on my way down, I completely missed the junction over to the Stone Creek area. I'm not sure whether I also missed the sawmill. The old sawmill site, I have no idea. But I'm headed back up. And by up, I mean uphill. Pretty much the whole 2 miles. So we'll see. There is a splitter that goes off to Deer Springs, though. I think that was that mystery junction. 11:05. And arrived back at the trailhead where I started. And several stops to chat with other hikers and take a little rest. Yeah, that was 2.4 miles down, 2.4 pretty much all up. Wow. Pretty good workout. I'm shooting at about 700 or 800 feet of elevation in there. So that's definitely enough per mile to get the attention of at least me. 350 to 400 feet a mile. Average. Alright, let's go rest.